15 million times a year, veterinarians around the world turn to IDEXX snap tests for point-of-care ELISA technology with actionable results every time. SNAP is the only pet-side test that uses gold standard ELISA reference laboratory technology. ELISA, or enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay technology, is proven superior for diagnostic sensitivity and specificity. With SNAP, ELISA offers two distinct advantages over lateral flow tests. First is the wash step. After the SNAP test is activated, the wash step removes unbound sample components that could interfere with results. The read window is then cleared for better visualization of even the lightest positive results. The second advantage is the amplification step. A chemical reaction amplifies the presence of bound antigen components and generates the distinct SNAP blue dot and color. This further enhances your ability to clearly visualize results, including samples that have low-level antigen. Wash and amplification steps are found only in the SNAP line of pet-side assays. By contrast, other assays, including lateral flow tests, reveal results through a process that clumps together colloidal gold particles. This puts specificity at risk by potentially making results harder to read. Furthermore, these assays exclude the wash and amplification steps. Without these steps, unbound components are left behind to obscure the read line and make results difficult to interpret, especially with whole blood samples. You have plenty of options for point-of-care testing, but only one with proven ELISA reference laboratory technology and a multi-analyte platform that screens up to 4 diseases from just one sample. The SNAP line of assays is your first choice for actionable in-house results you don't have to second guess.